Okay, let's make a start with your IELTS speaking test. Do you work or study?
No, I am not work, not a study. I am a housewife, so I do my home chores.
Good. What do you do throughout the day?
I do all my home chores like washing the clothes, cook the food, and care my baby and my husband.
Okay, what is your favorite day of the week?
Mostly Sunday is my favorite day because in Sunday my husband is free and he take at home and she helps me and he helps me and Sunday is my favorite day.
Okay, that's good. Just try to speak openly, frankly, and try to answer. Speak a bit louder, it'll be fine. Okay, let's go on. Do you prefer to have breakfast alone or with your family?
Mostly I prefer breakfast at alone because in early morning my husband is also busy. He is ready because he go to school. He is a school principal, so I cooking at alone.
I cook.
I cook alone.
Okay, do you watch television?
To be honest, I am not watch TV.
I do not watch TV.
I do not watch TV because I have not enough time.
Okay, that's good. So for part one, some of your answers are short and mainly you have issues with grammar, right? Like for husband, you used she, then you used he, and then grammar, basic sentence structure of English. Now we move on to speaking part two. This is your topic, and you have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Please, you can start.
Okay. Now I would like to talk about which thing I which thing I learn not at school or college. I did learn it at home. I did learn at home, and I did learn from my mother because she is very good cook and in hands cook very delicious and tasty dishes. So I learnt my mother. I learnt many dishes like biryani, korma, rice, and vegetables. All kind of vegetables and dal.
Okay, thank you so much. Can I get the topic? So in part two also you have mainly grammatical mistakes and you tend to repeat the same thing. Try to expand your answer, it'll be better. Now let's go on. Speaking part three. What can children learn from their parents?
Children and their parents, many things children learn their parents talk. Like they talk and learn cooking and how they survive in our life.
Okay. Do you think learning from school is better than learning from experience?
Yes, I think learning at school is better because when children go to school, they more learn other students.
Okay. So you'll have to work hard with your speaking. Thank you so much.